the most potent plant rooter, and it's completely free. It contains natural plant growth hormones. At the same time, it supports the resistance of new seedlings and has a disinfectant effect. And you can make it in just a few minutes. It's perfect for rooting roses, hawthorns, forsythias, and hydrangeas. When you trim unnecessary branches of forsythias in spring, you can root them. You can also make cuttings from hawthorn or rose branches. All you need are a few willow branches. They can even have leaves on them. You can also use elderberry branches. Every tree from the willow family has extremely potent growth hormones. A willow branch placed in the ground will root easily. That's why a rooting agent made from it is so effective. Cut the willow branches into smaller pieces. They can be a few centimeters long. Transfer them to a jar. Take water, preferably rainwater, and pour it over the chopped branches. Leave the jar in a dark place for a week or two, then simply strain the liquid that forms. It will have a specific smell and density, but that's exactly the kind of liquid that stimulates the growth of plant root systems. Just insert the branches you want to root into it. You can also use the resulting liquid to water rooted plants. It's the most effective rooting agent, and completely natural.